today's video, I'm going to give you my vanity tour and also show you how I organize my makeup, my skincare, all of that stuff. But before starting, I just want to say that having my own studio room, my own vanity was a dream for me. I never imagined that I would be standing here and giving you a room tour. And also this is a result of hard work, years of hard work. I do not come from a privileged background. Everything that you see in today's video, I have built from ground zero. It's not my parents' money, it's all of my hard work, years of hard work. I have done 9-to-5 job for so long along with my YouTube. So yes, just wanted to give you a little background before showing you everything. So yeah, let's begin. From Pinterest. I got this vanity built from my local carpenter and I feel that he did a pretty good job with this. So above my vanity we have this beautiful huge mirror which looks like sun. It gives that royal and vintage touch. I also got this mirror tray which I just love. It looks so bougie and expensive and I got it from Amazon again, and I keep my pretty little things here. And of course my candles. I just love burning candles, especially in this fall season, and Diwali is coming. I love burning candles in November, October. This is my favorite season. So right now I'm burning this candle autumn and it smells like autumn. And I also have some pampas grass. Fall equals to pampas grass. It really amped up my room. Love this. And now I will show you everything that's inside this vanity, how I organize my makeup, my skincare, everything. In this drawer I have my brushes, my foundation and my bronzer, blushes. In this drawer I have my eyeshadows which I will show you. So let's begin. Okay, so let's move on to the first drawer and let me show you my eyeshadow collection. So most of the eyeshadows are from Huda because I just love her formula, her creativity, and I know they're pretty expensive but really worth it. I just love this eyeshadow palette. Nude eyeshadow palette. I've used it so much. Then my James Charles eyeshadow palette, and these are the pastels. I love these two eyeshadow palettes, so beautiful, so pretty. And I have this Peach Farm eyeshadow palette from Etude House, and just some eyeshadow sticks and liquid eyeshadows, MAC eyeshadow, and oh, my tarot card. This is my tarot card. I'm not a tarot reader. I just do it for fun and for hobby, and yeah, I'm just learning, okay? I would say that. And look, what do I have here? The Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Honestly, I do not like this eyeshadow palette. I just got it because there's a hype around this eyeshadow palette on YouTube, but these eyeshadows are very chalky, so I do not recommend it. Then some other Huda mini eyeshadow palette, and my first eyeshadow palette. This was my first huge investment in the eyeshadow palette. This is Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. Let me show it to you. It has pretty shades, and this one is from Nika, and then again the Huda Beauty, and this is from Juvia's Place. Pretty beautiful eyeshadow. Like, these are so pigmented. I love these eyeshadow palette. I love this blue shade here. It looks so beautiful on me. So I just opened these up for you. These are not available in India yet, but if these are, then do grab one at least. So this was my eyeshadow collection, Kitty Cats. This was my first drawer, and now let's move on to the next one. And what do we have here? So this is my literally skincare storage. I have a skincare shelf other than this because I have a huge skincare collection, like I think bigger than my makeup collection. So I would make a separate video on that, but this is my skincare storage. This is like sachets of skincare. I have a review coming up on the Innisfree green tea range. And let's move on to the third drawer, and this is basically my candle drawer and my body mist and body lotions kind of drawer. This is the 1000 Wishes by Bath and Body Works, and these are the candles from Bath and Body Works. And all of my candles right now are outside because it's, you know, fall season, Diwali season, winter season. Okay, so in this one I have all of my highlighter, my bronzer, my blushes, and my brushes, my foundation, concealer. And this is a box where I keep all of my makeup which I currently used for my daily makeup. So yeah, and this is my blush collection, you can see, and some of my bronzers. And these are the makeup products that I'm currently trying for my Indian makeup video, because I'm also trying Indian makeup. There are some new amazing launches, so I'm trying that out. And these are some of my brushes. If you want to see a separate video just on my brushes, let me know, I'll do it. And my foundation, concealer. I do not have all of my foundations here because I was making a video on foundation which you'll see very very soon. So that's all for this. And in this I just have my lipsticks. Okay, if you have any tips for your lipstick organization, do let me know, because right now it's just a mess. Like, I do have this organizer for my lipstick, but it's not enough because I clearly have a lot of lipsticks. Like, these drawers are huge if you cannot make out from this video, but these are huge. And some of my Huda Beauty, my lip tints, and some Masaba by Nykaa lipsticks. And yeah, that's all for my lipsticks, kitty cats. And in this last one, I literally have to organize this. It's a mess. Like, I do not know. Oh, this is my mini lip set. What is it doing here? It should be here. And I have some of my eyelashes, and this is the stuff that I still have to organize, or I do not like it. And this organizer, I got it from Amazon when I did not have my vanity, and I used to keep my makeup in this box. So I will link it in my description box. And that's all for my vanity tour, kitty cats. It's pretty organized for now, but let's see how long it lasts.